How to post pictures in Reddit comments. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can post pictures in Reddit comments. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Reddit app and then you have to scroll through and find a post that you want to comment on. For example, I want to comment on this post, so I'm going to open this post and then you have to just click the comment section over here and then join the conversation. Once you click the comment section, it's going to pop up with this window and now you can see these icons over here. You simply have to click this image icon over here and then you have to enable the access to your gallery. You simply have to click enable access. Now you can choose a folder by clicking over here or just choose the picture directly from your gallery over here. For example, I've chosen this picture over here. You can go back and choose another one by clicking over here like this one and then click use photo. Now once you have chosen the photo, you simply have to click reply over here and then it's going to post this image. And that's how you post pictures in your Reddit comments.